Hi guys, welcome back to today's episode of Short Videos with iFashi. Today, I'll be showing you guys how to make these rhinestone designed keyholes on your skirts, pants or sleeves. So first you will need a rhinestone cup chain. Next you also need a B6000 gum. You can use B8000, depends on the one you have. And then you also need a soldering iron to cut out the holes when you're done. And this is our pant that we've made before. If you need a pant video how to make from scratch, just scroll down and you see the video on our channel. So first thing I did was iron out the pants, especially the down parts that I'll be putting the designs. So the next I did was grab a pencil and drew out the designs that I would like. I did star, I did circle, I did love sign. You can just go ahead and be creative, just do anything you want to do. You can do the same type of design on everything. You can decide to do different types. It's your choice. So after drawing out the designs that I want, here you have to be careful not to make the hole too big. When I started gumming the rhinestones on them, I realized my hole I drew was too big, so I reduced it. So try not to make, except you want to have big holes. So now I was done with the drawing on one of the leg. So I brought out my bust ham. You can decide to use anything. This was what was available for me. So I placed a paper under and then I opened up the pant and put it on top because I don't want to burn my bust ham that I'm using. So this was just for me to get a hard and flat surface at the same time. So after placing the pant on it, I started applying the gum to the lines that I made. And after applying the gum to the lines, the next thing you're going to do is to bring out the cup chain that you are using, then place it gently on the gum. Try not to mess up your pants at this point because this gum can be tricky. Try not to touch it directly. You can also prevent messing up the pants by having a bowl of water by your side so you can put your hand inside when your hand mistakenly touched the gum. So this is me just placing the rhinestone cup chain round it. So when I'm done, the next thing I'll do is cut off the remaining one and let it dry and then move to the next one. So guys, at this point I was done placing the rhinestone on all of them. So the next thing I'll do is to plug the soldering iron and start cutting out the holes. This is the easiest way to do this thing. If you decide to cut out your hole before attaching your chains on them, it's going to be harder that way. It's going to be more difficult. Now, the essence of this paper I placed under, remember I placed a white paper under, is because this soldering iron is very hot. I don't want to mess up what is below the pant. I don't even want to mistakenly go and cut probably the back of the pant. So you have to be very careful when using this iron. Do not allow it to touch your skin. Don't allow it to touch other parts of the pants as well. So after cutting out the first one, remove the paper, move it to the next one you're cutting, just like that. Cut out the holes in all of them and you're done. It's very, very simple, guys, and it's so fine. It takes your pant from 0 to 100. The design is so beautiful. Thank you so much for watching to this point. Remember to subscribe, remember to like this video, and remember to share this video because someone out there might need this. Look how beautiful it came out. You can decide to do a particular design, you can decide to do different types. So guys, here is the final look and it's so beautiful. The result is amazing. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying it out. We already have a tutorial of how to cut a pants trouser with a perfect crotch on our channel, and a lot of you guys told me how much you love that video. Thank you so much for staying with iFashi. And guys, the detailed video of how I drafted this cup corset will be out on the channel very soon. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that when I post, you'll be the first to get it. And see you in my next video, guys. Bye.